Hello guys, today I would like to show you quite old dental drill. It's from the 1970s. That's how it looks like. As you can see, that was a newer model because it's being able to be powered up from the main voltage or from the pedal by the operator's foot. Here you can see the original rope that was fitted on that wheel, and over here you have a connection to the flexible hose and another small wheel, and the ending was similar to the Dremel tool, so you can fit any of the bits, the drill bits for drilling inside of the teeth. And as you can see over here, there is a module that allow you to change the speed and the direction of the motor. So as you can see, it's going on the one direction, the faster and the fastest. You can go back. You are operating this from your foot, and right now we are going to backward, faster and the fastest, and we are on the off position. And what I would like to show you that's interesting is how you can change the direction by using your foot. So you just place your foot, and as you can see, you can get the motion. And as you can see right now, we are going in that direction. And if we would like to go the other one, like in backwards, we go just like that. And as you can see, we are going backward. So depending on the moment when you start pressing on the foot. Okay, so now we're going backward again, and now we change the direction forward. So I think that's quite interesting how you can change the direction by not having any special components, just by controlling the timing when you press it. Like we are going in that direction, we are going in that direction. So very simple and very interesting. I found it might be interesting for you guys to see, because that's quite vintage tool. So thank you for watching.